Mr. Patrick,
so I want to encourage everybody. If you have a bag, if you have a phone, if you have something precious to you, hold it to yourself. Don't leave it there thinking that someone else is going to do that for you. We have all come to find Jesus, and some of us have not yet found him. So I encourage you to keep your bag and your property. And as we said already, Pastor Kwaaya has started so many departments in the ministry. He established the Miracle Bible College for the training and teaching of the leaders and ministers. At the Miracle Bible College, we have for believers and for ministers. We also have a certificate, 3-month certificate program. All these programs, you can access them online. The certificate program, Pastor Kwaaya gave it to us for free. It has blessed thousands and thousands of leaders across the country. And across the nation. And also we have what we call the Mobile Bible College program.
This is a global visitation. We have guests from America, from Canada, from Australia, China, Japan, the UK, East Africa and the whole of Africa, and to the uttermost ends of the earth. What is happening today can only be done by the hand of God. Can only be done by the hand of God. Jesus said that if I be lifted up, I will draw all men unto myself. Those to my right, you'll use the St. Lawrence ones. They are open for you. Then also on this side of the VVIP tent, we have other facilities.
bajja kikuuma.
Take note of every minister, every usher, every ambassador, every opportunity you have. Tell them to assist you.
Buli muweereza na buli mukebezi nagwe twataddewo okuyambako mu kiti kye mukozese okusobola okuyambira ddala obulungi okakkane.
This is your day.
Luno lunaku lulwo.
We are truly blessed today.
Tuweereddwa nnyo omukisa nnyo ddala leero.
We are thankful to Pastors Robert and Jessica Kayanja.
Tuli basiimwe eri omusumba Robert ne Jessica